Chalong finally. Luckily, I didn't even have to wait. Like, it's only just become 1 o'clock, and I think they only do check-in from 2 to 11 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna look for, I'm gonna walk around, like, get it acclimated, but I'm basically looking for a solid place to train for the course of the time I'm here. I want to do MMA, but like, I would actually love like a hybrid. I want a place to work out because I need to work out, but like it'd be, of course, the whole point is that I come here to, you know, get in some MMA training too. I think I am nervous. Like, I'm nervous as to what, you know, I'm gonna have to really, because I'm technically like out of shape, technically just out of shape for all that means. And so I'm asking for a butt whooping. Brings on the nerves, but it's an excited kind of thing. I'm excited. I'm anticipating high quality stuff, so also that's why I'm feeling nervous, because it's like, clearly I know I've picked the right place to be. And as I was driving past the stuff, the meal prep shops, the good restaurants, the MMA like attire shops, the gyms, the arenas, like, I'm clearly in the right place to tap in. So let's do it. I just made it to Tiger Gym and looked at all of their options and stuff and prices, and I like it. I like it quite a lot. I've been, so far since I've been here, I've went to like 2 MMA gyms, 1 actual gym, and then like 1 CrossFit training place. I think this Tiger spot is the best thing for not only money but for what I'm looking for, so I think I'm just gonna do it. So I just stopped back by my room to drop some things off and change my foot gear because I want to go to the gym. I found a really nice gym. I'm just gonna do a drop-in since the Tiger Gym place has so much to offer that it wouldn't make sense to do both, but we'll see. Just take it day by day. That'll do, junkie, that'll do. I can move my clothes. Maybe 5 minutes. this is prime time to get ate up by bugs. Oh my gosh. So gross. Where did it go? The grasshopper that was like flying above my head or jumping. They have wings, they can fly. You beautiful beast. Jiminy Cricket, is that you? No, wait, I know you. You're Jiminy Cricket. Can I have your autograph? Oh. He was like, no. And I'm tired of people confusing me with that guy. Okay, so this is this process. Let's type the key. I have to put it in for the power to turn on. Okay. I definitely was excited about this training pack because I think for the pricing, it just makes the most sense for me. And it includes yoga, which I think will be so good for my body. And I've been wanting to like take some yoga. Also, I get to use the weights room. They have a whole, guys, they have a whole gym. So that's why I'm not even going to use Super Fit. Makes the most sense for my whole time here. Literally, all I'll need is the Muay Thai MMA training pack because I get access to the facility to go to the gym still every day. This is definitely the best deal. Why I'm here is because of this, so it just makes the most sense. I'm excited. I'm gonna take my butt to bed, but I just wanted to do a little catch up on what today showed me, which is that like this is doable. This is good to do for the first week because I can try it all, test it all, expose myself to it all. And I think from there I can piecemeal. I decided to change to the all-inclusive. Might as well just go 5,000 more just to do everything. I guess I'll go to this again. It's tomorrow night. Nice. Might as well. Might as well.
And every time you come to
Okay. For tomorrow, I'll do it. Okay. And for the everything, pay. Okay. You did good. Yeah, thank you. What's your name? Ah, PJ. Ah, cute. Nice name.
Okay, so this one, the door opens 6:30 tomorrow. And then full start from 7:30. And then the 5 start at 8. And then after 5, we have the light TV.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Will you be there? It's gonna be fun? Yes? Okay, I'm excited. And then today, I just show up to class and scan my card. I know, I'm free. I'm free. Thank you. Got the card, PJ. Thank you, too. So now I have to get my gloves, etc., but I need more money. I'm tired of spending money. Alright, let's go now to the store and get gloves. I think I'm gonna do this one because it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 items for 4,890. The question is just like which kind. I think black is cool. Black is dope. Yeah, I like black. Like Coach is there. There's the Coach.
black. We have 15 the black one. 16, yeah. And 14 on we have white and orange. This is not bad, right? 14? Yeah.
Better. I think it's okay. Orange? Yeah, it goes good together. Thank you.
And the black one we have just olive color.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Obviously black. Okay, so I'm headed to the party. We're gonna see what's gonna happen because it is raining. Ew. Let's just go. We paid 1,000 baht for this ticket, so let's see if I got my money's worth. We're expecting food, like a buffet, a show, and then a dance party. It's pretty good for 1,000 baht. So let's see if it's still able to happen even though the weather is bad. Let's go.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn. พรุ่งนี้ถ้าเกิดดีได้มาให้20,000เลยผมรู้ผมไม่เสียแน่20,000เลย Okay, one more time. That's not enough for me. Are you fucking ready for the fight tonight? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณมากโอ้เด็กช่วยเราถูกจะแพงให้แดงไว้ก่อนสวัสดีใครรวย เบอร์แดงเล่นอะไรไว้เฮ้ยโอ้โหอ้าวแข้งขวาเพชรอ้าวเพชรวายกครับโอ้ยเจอล่า
So I'm gonna go do a run. We're gonna try to get to know the area outside of Fitness Street. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna do the 60 seconds running, 90 seconds rest. Let's see it. I believe in myself. I finished my C-Trick 5K, but I'm gonna keep jogging and do as long as I possibly can before stop, go, stop, go. So we did good. We did pretty good. Sweaty. I saw some beautiful views. And I worked Day 1 of running. Success. Did 60 on, 90 off. That means 60 jogging, 90 walking. So we're gonna gradually progress day after day. I believe tomorrow is a push to do 90 jogging. So we'll see how that goes, guys. All right. Pray for me. I'm gonna keep jogging. I love to continue jogging after the session's over because the endorphins are different than the start. Like, I'm not the same person I was when I started, so going, it feels like it's a necessity at this point.
That's not enough of it. Are you fucking ready for the fight tonight?